Alright, so now we're going to shoot the urethane, and what we're using urethane for is to hold our windshield in. It's going to stop our water leaks as well. It's going to create that barrier and bond. The type of urethane we're using, I'll show you. It's going to be Betasil U428 Plus HV. Is by DuPont. And honestly, in my opinion, this is the best urethane you could possibly use. Love this stuff. Really hated it when they had a shortage, but it worked good. But what we do is I'm up on the pinch weld, and I'm leaning over the vehicle. And we're just going to put our nice bead across the top here. And as you can see, I'm cheating. I'm using the roof of the vehicle to guide it. And now we're going to take it off. Alright. This isn't a race. It's not a competition to see who can do this the fastest. The real competition is who can do it the straightest. So, I do have shaky hands. We'll get a break right there. And so, it's just one of my flaws, but I do my best. We're going to use this tube until all the urethane is out of it. And we're going to follow the old urethane line. We're not going to create new lines. We're going to go right on top. Every vehicle uses about a tube and a half. That's your guide for this. So you can't just buy one tube and think that you can set your windshield with that. You're going to need a tube and a half. That's the typical. For the bigger windshields, you're going to need a full 2 tubes. So we're going to come over here. We're going to overlap just a tad. We're going to come down this frame. Nice and slow and straight. Not too close to the pillar there, but not too far outside either. There's a sweet spot, and that sweet spot is where the old urethane is. Stay away from the VIN numbers. And right here, if you notice, my gun's not on the frame. I've got it off the frame, so we keep our bead nice and tall. And I'm going to have to brake because I'm running out of lean room. Overlap just a tad. And we'll finish it off right here. Now the next thing we do is we do a pancake. So we're going to put our tube up. We're going to grab a stick. I just use my old daubers, and we're going to pancake it. And so we pancake the top right here. That's all we need. Pancake this together. That's all we need. And then pancake the last area. And then we'll be ready to set our glass. And that is all we need. Don't touch the tops.